Hey, welcome to Pulse. Thanks for checking in this evening. I've got some questions that I hope a professional volatility trader might be able to catch this video and ask some comments, or anybody else there that would like to comment. I'm talking tonight about the real relationship between price and skew, because over the past several months, I've witnessed some things that keep coming up enough that it's valid to bring this to discussion. So, what I've seen multiple times now, and it happened last week with the NASDAQ, and we'll start with that. Last week, NASDAQ, I think it was around Wednesday, I'll bring up the chart, but skew really got whacked from -3 to -8. And for the NASDAQ and the S&P, they don't move as violently as, say, oil skew would. So when I saw that first whack from -3 to -8, my initial belief was like, oh God, the NASDAQ's going to get rocked here. And initially in this year, I'm profitable on the year, but I have had just a lot of positions where you're in hot water in these positions if you're really not entering at the perfect spot. So what I've seen multiple times now is often skew will get whacked, but price is usually late to the party. And not only that, it'll diverge against that initial drop or rise in the opposite way for a few sessions. Now, mind you, after enough sessions, it's most than not the case that price eventually catches up with skew. And I showed that in one of my videos in a real case study just a couple days that I posted. So my question out there to professional volatility traders, or anyone for that matter that would like to get involved, what do you believe the best entry times are? And are these price movements really lagged with skew, or is this just smoke and mirrors kind of data? But I don't think it is, because I've really seen it enough times now to point out that I'm just a little too early to the party. And it was worth mentioning tonight. I wanted to bring it up. So thank you so much. And I look forward to hearing anybody that wants to comment. Have a great night.